friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. Today we have another IKEA product with us, which is IKEA Glattis. It's coasters with a holder. As you see here, the coasters are of brass color. It's made up of stainless steel and it looks quite premium, and it comes with a holder, and each coasters have the diameter of 8.5 centimeter, and the product contains 6 coasters with a holder. The main purpose of coasters are it protects the tabletop surface and reduces noise from glasses and mugs. As you see here, we can easily keep any glass on top of the coaster. Coasters are rubber finished so that it will keep your mug or glass steady on any counter surface, and it looks quite premium and royal also because of the brass color it has. The coasters looks very good and it's very strong as well, and because of the rubber finish it holds the glass perfectly. So very and the holder, as you see here, it looks premium and it keeps the coasters in stack perfectly. The coasters stack neatly in the holder, and are easy to remove because they look good when they are packed, and you don't even have to store the coasters out of the side. You can leave them on the coaster holder itself, and it's look very nice when you put a glass on the coaster along with the holder as well. As you see here, it will definitely add a charm to your dining table because of its royal and luxury color it has. When it comes to the price, the coaster with holder cost around 561 in INR, which is around 6 to 7 in USD dollar, and it is made in China. You can also find different varieties of coaster in IKEA store. You can definitely go and visit. As you see, it is also available in the silver color with um, square size. So just visit IKEA store and find the one which is suitable for you. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to get more video like this. And I'll add the purchase link in the description so you can definitely check out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.